Welcome, sadhakas. Today we are trying to be more intimate by being face to face with values and features of sthapatya, of word formulations. This aspect and this chase is to begin with the formulation Chatushpit itself, the sthapatya and word formulation Chatushpit. That way is the base word formulation. However, the organization of knowledge is to be along the Chatushpit. As such, we have to be intimate with sthapatya of word formulations manifesting along Chatushpit. Let me be specific. Today, we are going to be more intimate about sthapatya and word formulations from Atma to Brahm and about the Panch Mahabhut format of our solar universe. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic knowledge systems and Vedic mathematics values as base of Vedic knowledge shall be very intimately face to face with these features and values of sthapatya of word formulations folds. Each word formulation as transcendental code value is of many folds. Each fold has its distinct sthapatya, and we have to be face to face with the same. Let us begin with the formulation Atma. It is northern hemisphere split of the transcendental domain within Chatushpit, within creator's space. Formulation Atma is having first four folds as of value 1 as single word, 2 as pair of syllables, 4 as quadruple letters, 17 as a transcendental code value, together making a summation value 24 parallel with Purush. Atma unfolding as Purush is the feature of the sthapatya which deserves to be comprehended well. A reach from Atma to Purush is the reach which happens within Chatushpit, and it is this which deserves to be imbibed well. The other six folds are 70, 97, 61, 60, 125, 260, 267, making total value 704, which is a step ahead of 700. The total number of shlokas of Srimad Bhagavad Gita will take us to 701, 702, 703, and 704 as four folds of summation value 2810. One shall sit comfortably and be parallel with these sthapatya features of formulation Atma. Step ahead, let us have a revisit to formulation Atma as transcendental code value 17, which has an origin of 16 domain, will naturally on transcendence will split 16 domain into a pair of 16 domains which are parallel with Jeev and Bij. How Atma is Jeev and Bij is the Chatushpit manifestation phenomenon. Now 17 as origin and split as pair of domain 16 with 16 square plus 17 becomes 283 parallel with the total letters of all 16 sutras. One shall sit comfortably and be parallel with it. And simultaneously, one shall visit Ganita Sutra Akshar, the formulation which leads to transcendental code value 50, which is parallel with 50 coordinates fixation of the creative boundary of 10 components of the transcendental domain. One shall sit comfortably and be parallel with it. Now, the 17 as an origin on its transcendence from 16 domain and split of 16 domain as a pair of domains makes 16 cross 16 setup, which is parallel with the organization of the text of Ganita Sutras, whose first letters are of value 64. The last letters are of value 123. The first sutra is of value 68 plus 7, and the last sutra is of value 39 plus 16. It is this organization which will help us appreciate as to how the Ganita Sutras are the mathematics of Atma as Jeev and Atma as a beach. It is this comprehension which desires more intimate appreciation, comprehension, and imbibing of these organizational features. One shall sit comfortably and be parallel with it. And once one will be parallel with it, one will be more blissfully intimate with the Vedic knowledge and mathematics. See, the northern hemisphere is of values 17. Self-referral origin will give a flow, Divya Ganga Parvaha, of 7, 3, and 1 streams of summation value 11, 6 plus 11, 17, and the 4 corner points of Ganita Sutras organization as of 61313, summation value 23, parallel with the TC value of Kendra, are the features which deserve to be imbibed fully, which deserve to be comprehended completely, thoroughly. It is with this thorough comprehension one will be intimate with the sthapatya of the word formulation Chatushpit and also of the words formulations manifesting within Chatushpit. The Sutra Shabd 24 and Upsutra Shabd 22 of 16 Ganita Sutras and 13 Ganita Upsutras make a summation value 46. There are 46 words of the entire text of 16 sutras and 13 Upsutras, 24 as domain and 22 as a dimension, 22 as Sthapatya Hypercube 6 and 26 as Sthapatya Purush. The summation value 46 takes us to the superimposition of 13 geometries of 6 space upon the format of 11 geometries of a 5 space. It is this superimposition permissibility for 13 versions of Hypercube 6 upon 11 versions of Hypercube 5 is the organizational feature which deserves to be comprehended well. One is to be intimate with this superimposition permissibility, and one will be parallel with the sequential organization of Vedic knowledge word formulations. Step ahead, the formulation Atma as of TC value 17 is parallel with word formulation Nad of transcendental code value 17. So Atma as a Nad as dimension will take to 20 as the origin, as Ved, as Swarit. One shall have a pause. Atma as a Nad, as Swarit Ved is the reach of Vedic knowledge for which each one of us, each sadhaka aspires for. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems shall revisit Atma word formulation and Nad word formulation, and also the Dravya word formulations being of same transcendental code value, which as a value of dimension will take to 20 as origin, and as such Swarit Ved. How the Atma and Ved are transcendently interlocked is the feature which deserves to be imbibed. Vedas are Shruti. Word formulation Shruti is a transcendental code value 12. C 17 are the versions of Hypercube 8. Numbers range 1 to 8 lead to factors 12, and numbers 1 to 12 lead to factors 20. One shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to be parallel with this transcendental interlocking of artifices on the one hand, word formulations on the other hand, their sthapatya on the other hand. Sthapatya and artifices interlocking is a transcendental phenomenon which is uniquely attained by Vedic knowledge. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems, to be parallel with Vedic mathematics values, shall intimately be face to face with sthapatya of the word formulations Atma, Nad, Ved, Swarit, Shruti, Dravya. With this, one shall be acquiring a mental state which will help us appreciate the formulation Vyanjan, which is of transcendental code value 29, with the last syllable Na, with Vedic code value 0, leads to Vyanj as of Vedic code value 20 and Vyanjit as 25. How transcendental code value and Vedic code value are interrelated, how this transition and transformation from Swarit to Vyanjit, from transcendental code value to Vedic code value is being attained, deserves to be comprehended. One shall visit the formulations Parvati, Buddhi, Prithvi, Vishnu, all of transcendental code value 25 each, and value 25 is parallel with 25 versions of hypercube 12, and value 12 is the summation value of the split of transcendental content, 5-space content, splitting as 5331, making summation value 12. And as to how the value 25 is the first triple digit number of 5-place value system, of whose 24 double digit numbers stand accommodated by the grade 4x6 as Purusha. How Purusha is going Vyanjit, how Buddhi is Vyanjit, are the features, are the values of Sthapatya, of the word formulation Vyanjan. One shall sit comfortably and to permit the mind to be parallel with these values. Once one will be parallel with these values, then one will be parallel with the Vedic code. Swara is of transcendental code value 15, Vedic code value 0. Nya is the 0 Vedic code value letter of 6 transcendental code value. Na is 0 Vedic code value letter and is of 8 transcendental code value. 15, 6 and 8 make summation value 29 as per transcendental code value. So the Vyanjan with Vedic code value 13 and the numbers range 1 to 16 leads to 29 factors. 29 and 16 plus 13 takes us to 16 sutras and 13 upsutras. One shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to be parallel with these organization format features of Sthapatya, of the word formulations, and the interlocking of the transcendental code values with the Vedic code values. It is very, very blissful state. Sadhakas fulfilled with the intensity of urge to be parallel with the Vedic knowledge systems and Vedic mathematics values shall revisit the formulation Brahm. The transcendental code value of formulation Brahm is 28, while Vedic code value of formulation Brahm is 19. 28 with organization 19 plus 9 takes us to the split for 9-space content as 9775 was summation value 28. Further, the factors of numbers range 1 to 28 being 56 take us to 28 plus 28. One shall sit comfortably and be parallel with these organizational format features of formulation Brahm. With one being parallel with these organization format features of formulation Brahm, one will be in a mental, very, very blissful mental state. This blissful mental state will help us chase formulation Brahm for its 10 folds as 1, 2, 6, 28, 78, 140, 72, 100, 204, 28 of total summation value 1018. C 28 is 10 plus 18. C 10 is the summation value of hypercube 3, while 18 is the summation value of hypercube 5. C 3 space plays the role of dimension of 5 space, and further see how these internal folds of the formulation Brahm are sequentially bringing us face to face with more and more bliss of Vedic knowledge organization with Vedic mathematics values as their basis base. One shall further be parallel with the 10 internal folds of formulation Brahm. Varan 6 takes us to Surya. Ank 28 take us to Brahm. Sthapatya as D9, content, 9 space content, manifesting as hypercube 7 of 4 folds 5, 6, 7, 8 of value 26 with external characteristics 14, middle 8, Antrik 26, Saloke, Samipe, Sarupe, Sayuje, and Swambhu. These 10 folds, as these are, when are sequentially chased, these very beautifully bring us within the transcendental domain. 6 as Surya Ank, 28 as Brahm, 14 as 14 Bhavans, 14 self-referral coordinates of unity state, 8 Akash, 26 Devta, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the unity state, and 15 is Swaras. Total summation value 123. One shall have a pause here and take note that the transcendental code values of last letters of 16 sutras are of summation value 123. Blissful. The summation value of the transcendental code values of last letters of Ganita Sutras 1 to 16 is 123. These are the internal 10 folds of formulation Brahm. One shall sit comfortably and to permit the mind to be parallel with these. And these are the values which are lively as Valmiki formulation, transcendental code value 20, parallel with Brahma. Valmiki Ramayana, 30 plus 26, 56 is 28 plus 28. And Narad and Brahma had bestowed enlightenment upon Valmiki to compose Valmiki Ramayana. This way, we can be blissfully face to face with as to how the Vedic knowledge of Sthapatya, of the word formulations, will take us parallel with the natural existence phenomenon of our solar universe. And for it, we have to first visit Mandal Brahmana Upanishad. The formulation Mandal is of transcendental code value 29, which is parallel with the transcendental code value of Brahma. Formulation Brahman is of transcendental code value 37, which is parallel with the transcendental code value of Shri Bhagavan. Value 29 is 14 plus 15 as H4 plus H4 of full and half units as the origin of 5 space. 37, 18 plus 19, H5 plus H5, 45, 22 plus 23, 21 is 10 plus 11. So Narad, Brahma, Shri Bhagavan, and now Brahm are the formulations, are the Sthapatya, are the placement values of the origins of 3 space, 4 space, 5 space, and 6 space. One shall sit comfortably and be parallel with these Sthapatya values of the formulations and have a visit to the Saur Mandal. The formulation Saur Mandal is of transcendental code value 15 plus 29 is 44, which is a Param Vijom. This Param Vijom is the supplet of a transcendental domain within creator's space. With this, one can sequentially be through the formulations Dhruv to Prithvi. Dhruv is the formulation of transcendental code value 19, whose 10 folds lead to value 697 and internal 10 folds lead to value 139. Be face to face with it, be intimate with them, and glimpse as to how 697 to 700 and 139 to 142 enlighten us about the sthapatya of the pole star. Like that, we can be face to face with the formulation Surya as its sthapatya, the 10 folds and 10 inner folds together lead to values 584 and 94, which will ultimately bring us face to face with 700 and 100, the Yama values and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This way we can sequentially proceed ahead for a visit to formulation Akash, then to Vayu, then to Agni, then to Apa, and ultimately to Prithvi. And like that, we can be face to face with the way these formulations manifest along their parallel sthapatya within creator's space. And once one will be parallel with these, one will be parallel with the organization format of Vedic knowledge with Vedic mathematics as its basis base. One shall sit comfortably and one shall be parallel with the sthapatya of the word formulations. One shall begin with Chatushpit and one shall sequentially be along these format features of Saur Mandal of Panch Mahabhut format. Thank you very much.